Hello friends, our today's topic is three formula: sum, SUMIF and SUMIF-S. So with the sum we can do the summation of the selected cell range. With the SUMIF formula we can do summation with one criteria. We will look on into deeply in the practice. So what is the one criteria and what is two multiple criteria, right? And third one is SUMIF-S, the summation with two or multiple criteria. So let me show you immediately the preview what exactly we are going to do in today's video. So here in the data we are going to sum. So with the three methods we can do the summation easily. So next, SUMIF. In the SUMIF it will do the summation of the overall data for the one criteria. That means in the data you can see there is data and the fruits are repeating and the amount is also available. So it will do for the apple it is 160. So if I will select the banana, so it will show me that what is the total sum of bananas with the one criteria. And third one is SUMIF-S. So here we have a two option, means two criteria. One is fruit and second one is fruit type. So once I will select here the orange, right, and the criteria is novel. So here the total sum of the oranges and novel. Here we have a two criteria. So similarly we can do two or more than two, means multiple criteria. So how to do that? Let's start practice. It's me, Hiren Shukla, your Excel friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Shiren Excel friend. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press bell icon to get updates for my new videos. So our today's topic is the three formula: sum, SUMIF and SUMIF-S. So first let me show you the sum. So there are three easy and best methods through which you can easily get the sum. So first one is by selecting range. That means for that you need to type the formula sum bracket open and manually you need to select the range for which you would like to get the result of summation for this range. Okay, so there is the total sum is 510. The second method is by using a Autosum. So for that you need to select the cell and then go to the home tab, and here you can find the symbol of Autosum. Once you press it, your range will automatically get selected, and then you need to press enter. And the third one is the best and easy method is shortcut. So alter and is equal to together. So alter and press is equal to. So it will automatically select your range, and then you need to press enter. So let's go to next formula, SUMIF. So in the SUMIF, here there is a one addition, that in the last formula, the previous one only the sum, in which we get only the sum, but here we have a condition. So in the SUMIF we can define the criteria, and based on our specified criteria it will give us a total sum of the range based on our confirmation or selected criteria. So let me type here is equal to SUMIF and then bracket open. So we will get this kind of things. The first one is range. So you need to select the range. So which range? The criteria. The fruit is here the criteria in this example, right? So I'm selecting this range. B4 to B15 is my range. And the comma, and second one is criteria. The criteria is this one, the fruit name here. Whatever I will select, accordingly it will give me the total sum of the total fruit amount, right? So in this case the B18, B is the column and 18 is the row. So B18 is my criteria. So according to criteria or the fruit name, whichever I will select, accordingly it will give me the total summation of the amount. And the third one is sum range. So here is the amount, so I need to select the range through which Excel can calculate and give us a result. So now it's here. So you can see the apple is total 160. Like here the apple is 50 amount. Once again apple is 50, that means 100, and the 50 apple is 60 here. So in total 160. So once I will select any of the fruit, suppose I am selecting banana here, so it will automatically gives me the total summation is 180. So also how to, this is the drop down menu, right? So how to create a drop down list, for that I have already made one video. You can, I will also provide a description box link in description box, so that you can go to that video and you can refer that how to create a drop down list. And the third formula is SUMIF-S. It is the similar like SUMIF, but it lets you use multiple criteria. In the SUMIF only there is a one criteria we can select, but in this we can select two or more than two criteria. Like here we have a fruit name and the fruit type. The data which is available with us is the fruit name and the type which kind of fruit is, and the amount. So let me type here the SUMIF-S. So first is indicating me the sum range, so I need to select sum range. So here is the amount, so I am selecting this range, and then comma and the criteria range 1. So my first criteria will be the fruit name, so I am selecting it will be from this range, and my criteria 1 is this one, the B18, right? And the second one is criteria range 2, so my second range for the criteria 2 is the fruit type, right? And the criteria 2 is C18. C18 means here the type, whatever I will select accordingly it will give me the result. So now you can see the orange, the fruit name is orange, and the label fruit type is orange. But if I will select apple, like apple and honey crisp, so that is 100. And I have also shown the description for the more clarification, so that you will get the idea. And I also added one employee details here for the sake of your knowledge, more knowledge, that how like we have a employee details, like employee name, the employee code, and the department, and what is the salary of the person, and from which zone the person is or employees belongs to, right? So here in total there is a 5 department and the zone. So there is a one clear-cut summary, like in the maintenance. Suppose I am the owner of this company and I would like to know that in which department and in which zone how much I'm losing or I'm giving money to my employee, right? So for that I have used the SUMIF function. So for your knowledge that how I have used the SUMIF function here to get the details from this data, and I have analyzed that in the north zone, in the maintenance department, according to the zone wise how much salary is going for this company or for this data. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like and feel this video is really helpful, keep me motivated by like, share, comment and subscribe, and keep watching, keep learning, and stay connected with me for more videos and learnings. You can download the free Excel fire practice file from the link given in the description box. Be happy and make your family happy. Thanks.